Hello, welcome to it's Anisha's turn, because it's my turn, you guys. So anyway, today I came on because I want to show you guys maybe about 4 to 5 different styles with hair that's been perm rod, if that makes any sense. You know, I don't know, that just sounds weird to me. But anyway, I perm rodded my hair yesterday. I used the gray ones and I used the blue ones. The blue ones for the back because I wanted it to be really, really tight. And then I used the blue ones. I mean the green, not blue. What am I saying? I don't know my colors today. But anyways, I used the gray ones for the front. Now this is how I did it, because we're going for minimal effort. We're going for not having to use a lot of perm rods in your hair, because I'm the type of person to where I want to be able to sleep, so I don't want to have a whole lot of perm rods in my hair because it's uncomfortable, and I know it's somebody out there who can understand what I'm saying. So what I did was I parted my hair down the middle, as you can see, and then I had 2 sides, so I parted it in 3 sections. So the first 2 sections in the back, I had 2 perm rods each, and that's the blue perm rod. And then at the top, of course, that's my last section, I parted it like this, and I put 3 perm rods here. And so same thing, parted here, put 3 perm rods here, and had 2 sections in the back, 2 perm rods each. And this is the results that I received. And I mean, I really love it. I feel like it's gonna last all day. And what I used was the Lotta Body. This right here, it worked. So I mean, you know, I know a lot of people have seen this. It's been out for a long time, but I really never thought to use mousse for blowed out styles. But now I'm gonna be using mousse for like everything. You know what I'm saying? Because look at this. Come on. Look at these. Look at these curls, y'all. What is going on? Like, look. She's jamming. Come on. Like, so anyway, what I did up here is I just pinched it up. I put 2 what do you call these things? Bobby pins. You know, I did them in an X here, 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 and here. So that's how I end up getting this style like this. And I think it looks really cute. I don't know if you guys can see it. This side didn't turn out that good, but literally if I were to kind of, because I already tried to do it, so if I were to pin this section down like so, it'll look better. So I already had tested it out because it was looking kind of funky on this side. I don't know why this side kind of tripped out on me. But anywho, let me see if I can kind of just put a pin in it, and hopefully it'll still look decent on this side. So this is how it looks on this side. But this side turned out hella good. This side right here was bomb. So anyway, that's that. I want to show you guys maybe, I don't know, maybe 4 different styles maybe. But anyway, let's see. Oh, that's wet. Ah, damn it. I do not need for it to be wet. So let's see, guys, what I'm gonna do here. And I don't need anybody to tell me that my arms are big. I know my arms are big, okay? So I don't need anybody to be like, oh, you got big arms. I know I have big arms. And next. Don't tell me I have big arms. So anyway, I mean, honestly, I mean, look. I mean, if you want to go like this, you can go like this too. This is bomb right here. Look at that. Cute. Okay? And if you want, look. You can put it behind your ears. And look. There you go. So it's very versatile. Like, what was that? That's 3 styles right there. Because look, I took it from behind my ear. You can have it kind of going in your face. You see what I'm saying? Just like that. And then, like I said, you can put it behind your ear. See that? And look, that's another style right there. That's 3 styles right there. Or, look, keep one back here. And look, have this one up. See? Look at that. That's 4 styles just in doing it like that. Look at that. Crazy, right? And then that's 4 styles right there. I had said 4 to 5. Shit, I might end up doing 6 to 7 because that was easy. And then look, you can take this side, and it's freaking pretty style, I'm telling you. You could even put like probably even like a rubber band on that and have it like this. Because remember, I was saying that this section was messed up. So to fix that, I could literally just put a rubber band on this. You see what I'm saying? And just put this like that. And that's cute to me right there. A rubber band. But let me see if I can just pin it down. I might just pin it down, even though a rubber band probably would look better because it'll give it that, like that pop. But I feel like I could just put 2 little bobby pins on here. And look, you can pull that down or leave it up. However, if you like that big volume, you can leave that up. But look, that's cute too. Like, it's just simple stuff. It ain't even no major effort. But look, that's cute. Simple, cute. You know, and like I said, if you want, you can put it back here behind your ear. No, I don't like that. Never mind. But like this. This is cute. I'm feeling that. And then another style that I know a lot of people like. Let me see if I could. Oh shoot, heck yeah. I know what I'm gonna do. I could do, get my rubber bands. I could do this part like up and do it like twice. Okay, like that. Ooh, that's cute. And then do this side same way. Put this up. Did I put all that? Oh yeah, I did. Okay. Ooh, that's cute. I'm feeling this. Even though I like this side more, but still though, it's cute. We'll just do same over here, and then you just fluff it up. And look, hey, come on, that's freaking cute. I love it. That's like another style. And then of course, I probably can, like, literally, y'all, I'm just making up this shit as I go. I ain't even gonna lie. Look, oh, hell yeah. Look at that. So, literally, you just crisscross the freaking ponytails. I'm recording. And then you can literally, and I'm just doing this quick, guys. Like, I'm just making it up as I go. Look at that. Oh my god, I just crisscrossed the ponytails, and look what I got. Mama, I'm recording. Dang. But look, you just messed it up right there. Damn, you just have to do that. Wow. But this is cute. I love this. It's another style. Really freaking love that hell of a lot. That is the shit right there. Wow. That's pretty. I'm gonna have to rock this one. I'm gonna have to rock this probably today. I'm rocking this because this is cute as ever. Yeah, so that's another one. And I don't even know where I'm at as far as like the count or what I said. How many? Because I had said 4 or 5, but now I think I'm at 7 or 8. Ooh, pull that off with ease. I don't want to pull my hair out. And then, yeah. All right, let's see here. And then I was thinking, you know, you could always just like do like a side, you know, like a side one. See, you could do a side one just like this. This cute. I'm about to be rocking this too. This is freaking cute. I'm loving these. I'm loving these perm rod curls. Damn. It's just, you just have fun. Like, you just, like, look at this. And it's just, it's the curls for me. You know what I mean? It's the curls for her. You feel me? Like, shoot. And see, you can bring it more to the side. You want, I mean, I can make this tighter. But even for me, I don't really like mine too tight. But I know some people like theirs really snug. So it's just up to you. I just don't. But this is cute too. Or like I said, you can have it to where it's coming over like this. I think that's cute. And then, let's see. I know. Should I put any down at the front? I feel like I could put. I mean, it just depends on the curl. Oh, that's cute. Shoot. That's a cute little curl. Okay, yeah. Then we gonna go with it. So then, like you could just. Oh, I don't really want to mess up these curls. So I'm trying to be careful. I feel like I could do like a side one. Maybe I should do on the other side. I'm trying to think, guys. What should I do? I mean, you can pull it all up too if you want it. And just literally have like it all just like popping like this too. But I feel like you get more body if you do like two. So I feel like you could do like one here. It just really make your hair pop. Just like you put one here. Watch what I'm gonna do. You can put one here. And this is just to make your hair like fuller. I don't really want to do this too tight. Let me pull it down like that. And then it's literally like you just take the bottom hair and you pull it up like so. And then you just put another rubber band on it. But you try to pull it up close to the other rubber band. That's what you do. Like this. And then pull it all the way. And twice. Like so. See? And then pull this one back. And then look. Because I like my stuff to be big sometimes. I really like my stuff to be voluminous. So when it's big and voluminous like this, I don't know. I just really be liking how that looks. And then you can have this hair to the side. Just like this. And that's cute. I don't know if you guys can see the back. I can't even see the back. Let me see. Because I don't even know. I don't even know if it's popping or not. Let's see. Popping or not. Let's see. Honestly, like I'm feeling it. I mean, because look how pretty that looks though. You know, like it look real big and it looks nice. And you know, don't worry about my kitchen. That kitchen be fighting with me. But anyway, but this is cute though, y'all. This is cute. Like I said, this side is not as good as this side. As you can see, the curls are popping on that side more. But you get what I'm trying to say though. It takes all right. But that's still cute. I like it. I'm a rock it. So, this is another one. Damn, I like that a lot though. That's cute though. It's just really voluminous, like I said. And then you have this here if you want it here. If you don't want it here, I mean, literally, let's see. I mean, you could just put it back. Like, if I were to pin it back, guess what? You're going to pin it in like it was going with the ponytail. And look. Boom. She cute. You see what I'm saying? She cute. Come on. Huh. Let's go. This is what I'm talking about. It's pretty. It's really, really pretty. You see? So, that's another one where you do it like that. And then, you can have it. I mean, I really don't know how many styles I done clicked and clacked. I don't even know how many styles I done so far. But look, that's even cute. Just put it down like this and have your bangs and you going. Look at that. It's just fun. It's just really fun when you just have your hair in curls and you can just do so much. And then another one, let's see. Oh, you remember the one I was saying where like if you were going out, I don't even know if I said something, if I was saying, or you could kind of like pin it all up like so, you know, and have it like just all going up. I don't know, that's cute. But like all this would be like, of course, pinned down, you know, and then it would just all be like up like this, you know, like as if it was like, I don't know, that's probably a good example. But another way is you can literally take them all over to, let's see, one side like this. And see, you have this side, and it's like more of the hair is on this side of your head. So see, and that's voluminous as ever. Look at that. Bomb. Like, that's fire. I love it. So I don't know, I was gonna do more, but I don't even know how many this was. I think this probably would have been 8, 10. I don't even know. I don't even remember. Stop counting after a point. But you could even, like I said, put this to the side. So you could braid this, twist this if you wanted to. And you could literally pin it. Let me do my little pin. See, ew, little band on there. Pin it to the side. I like this way too. I'm gonna do one more for you guys. I'm gonna have fun with this, but I'm literally going to, look at that. I love it. I really, really love it. It's going to the side. This is all going to the back, and this is going to the side, just like that. So I think they're all cute. And then, like I said, if you're a person who you don't like it in your face like me, even though I love this a lot and I would rock this, you know, but if you want to pin it back, I mean, literally you could just take a pin and shoot, just put a pin in it, and it'll kind of be just like more over to the side, which still looks bomb. It still looks bomb, but it's just more to the side and not like coming down in your face. So cute, simple, easy styles. All right, guys, please make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe, and also push the notification bell so that whenever I upload, you will get notified. So you guys have a good day, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.